Granting of loans and advances is the second main function of primary functions of banking. The bank advances loans to the business community and other members of public. The rate charged is higher than what it pays on deposits. The difference in the interest rates is its profit. That here the difference means lending rate and the deposit rate. The difference between these two rates is a profit for bank. Here bank giving some more facilities to the uh, his to their customers, which are overdraft facility, cash credits, loans, discounting of bill of exchange. Let us know about how uh, their facilities helps to their customer. First one, overdraft. This type of advances are given to current account holders. This type of advances are given to current account holders. There is no separate account is maintained for this account. All entries are made in the current account. A certain amount is sanctioned as overdraft, which can be withdrawn within a certain period of time, says 3 months or so, and interest is charged on actual amount withdrawn, and an overdraft facility is granted against collateral security. An overdraft facility is granted against a collateral security, and it is sanctioned to um, businessmen and firms. Mainly it focus on businessmen and firms. And next facility is cash credits. The client is allowed cash credit up to a specific limit fixed in advances. It can be given to current account holders as well as to other who do not have an account with a bank. And separate cash credit accounts is maintained for this account, and interest is charged on the amount withdrawn in excess of limit. The cash credit is given against the security of uh, tangible asset or guarantees. The advances is given for a longer period and a longer amount of loan is sanctioned than that of overdraft. Next, loans. It is normally for short term, say a period of 1 year, or medium term, says a period of few years. Nowadays, banks do lend money for long term. Repayment of money can be in the form of installments spread over a period of time, or in a lump sum amount. Interest is charged on the actual amount sanctioned, whether withdrawn or not. The rate of interest may be slightly lower than what is charged on overdrafts and cash credit. And loans are normally secured against tangible assets of a company. Next is discounting of bill of exchange. The bank can advance us money by discounting or by purchasing bills of exchange, both domestic and foreign bills here, and the bank pays the bill amount to the drawer or the beneficiary of the bill by deducting usual discount charges. On maturity, the bill is presented to the drawee or acceptor of the bill, and the amount is collected. Second main functions of banking is secondary functions of banks. Here the bank performs a number of secondary functions, also called as non-banking functions. These important secondary functions are below. In that, first one is agency functions. The bank acts as an agent. Here the bank acts as an agent of its customer. The bank performs a number of agency functions like transfer of funds. Means the bank transfer funds from one branch to another or from one place to another. Next, collection of checks. Here the bank collects the money of the checks through clearing sanctions of its customer. The bank also collects money of the bills of exchange. Next one is periodic payment. On standing instructions of the client, the bank makes periodic payments in respect of electricity or bills, rents, etc. and so on. Next one is portfolio management. Here the banks also undertakes to purchase and sell the shares and debentures on behalf of the clients, and accordingly debits or credits the account. This facility is called portfolio management. Next one, periodic collections. Here the bank collects salary, pensions, dividend and such other periodic collections on behalf of the client. Last one, other agency functions. They act as trustee. Here they act as trustee, ex-custors, and advisors and administrators on behalf of its clients. They act as representatives of clients. They act as a representative of clients to deal with their banks and institutions. General utility functions is a second main function of secondary functions of banking. Here the bank also performs general utility functions, and that the bank will give some facilities to the customers, such as issue of drafts, letters of credits, and etc. And the locker facility or locker system to the customer, and underwriting of shares, dealing in foreign exchange, project reports, and the bank will help to social welfare programs also. These are all comes under general utility functions. In these two videos, we learned about what is banking and its functions. Thank you.